Parang niya ako pinagbintangan sa bagay na wala po akong ginawa. Hindi naman ako tama ito. Yung pangalan ko, pangalan ng pamilya ko.
Unfortunately, ngayon mo lang sinabi na wala palang advice ang doktor. Kaya, as chairman, I have to rule not to continue with the questioning of James Kumar because of his condition. Kung may mangyari, ako pa mananagot. Ha? Just for the record, baka sabihin nila, hindi pinakinggan ni Bato yan kasi gusto pa i-drag pang investigation ng mahaba. No! Ako gusto ko ngayon na. Ikaso lang with that condition.
I think Mr. Kumar is ready to attend virtually, Mr. President.
Yes,
If the chair will allow it.
With the... Okay lang ba sa inyo na para bang nakukonsensya na nasa loob ng hospital, tinatanong natin yung tao? Baka may mangyari dyan.
Pumayag na raw yung doctor, Mr. Chair, according to the lawyer.
Baka may mangyari dyan.
The doctor did not agree, but James just wants it already. Just
No, no.
to be, ano.
Kailangan may doctor's advice yan. Nasa loob
Pero
siya ng...
may doctor po doon, pero the doctor did not agree, but
Oh, they
Did
did
the doctor did not agree or you did not consult with the doctor?
he did. But the doctor said no.
So,
Oh,
sabihin
wag na.
na, pag may nangyari sa
Wag na,
kanya,
wag na, wag na.
makakabisin. No. Yan.
Hello, Your Honor.
Yeah, andyan na siya, pero ako...
Pag may nangyari sa inyo, wag mo kami sisihin, Mr. Kumar.
Hindi, sir. I just want to clarify. Gusto ko lang din matapos na ito kasi...
Sandali lang, Mr. Kumar. Mr. Kumar, sandali lang. 1 minute suspension. James, we would like to hear from you, pero with that present condition, ako'y nakonsensya, kaya wag na, James, wag na. Baka may mangyari pa sa iyo dyan. Ako sisihin.
Sir, honestly po, Your Honor, gusto ko lang din matapos na ito kasi for the previous how many days, hindi lang po ako nag-suffer, pati yung pamilya ko po dahil dinadrag po yung pangalan ko sa bagay na wala po akong alam at wala akong kinalaman at wala akong sinasabi. Hindi ko alam bakit ganun po. Na-stroke na ho lahat dahil dito. Hindi na ho tama ito.
Sorry, James. Sorry for your condition. I apologize, ha? I apologize na nagkaganyan ka.
Your Honor, parang niya ako pinagbintangan sa bagay na wala po akong ginawa. Hindi naman ako tama ito. Yung pangalan ko, pangalan ng pamilya ko, sinira sa lahat.
Wow, paki-off na, sabi mo kayo, walang doktor dyan. Against doctor's advice. Mag-uusap lang tayo next time, James. Sige na. Thank you. Relax ka na dyan. Relax.
Salamat po.
Sige. Thank you.
Mr. Chair, if I may,
Yes.
will this be the last hearing?
Yun nga, I was inclined to make this the last. But James Kumar is absent.
Yes, but
Senator Jinggoy, before you continue, I just would like to put on record that this committee assumed a while ago that he was under doctor's advice to go on online attendance to this hearing. But unfortunately, ngayon mo lang sinabi na wala palang advice ang doktor, kaya as chairman, I have to rule not to continue with the questioning of James Kumar because of his condition. Kung may mangyari, ako pa mananagot. Ha? Just for the record, baka sabihin nila, hindi pinakinggan ni Bato yan kasi gusto pa i-drag pang investigation ng mahaba. No! Ako gusto ko ngayon na. Ikaso lang with that condition. Napaka-heartless naman natin na tao. Napaka-heartless ko naman na chairman kung tutuloy-tuloy ko yan. Kung may mangyari dyan. Kaya yun lang, for the record. Senator Jinggoy, go ahead.
thank you.